Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best nut drivers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Olympia Tools SAE Nut Driver Set 86513. The Olympia Nut Driver Set is a 7-piece set of nut drivers that are perfect for various tasks. With sizes ranging from 1.4 to 1.2, you can easily tackle different projects. The handles of these nut drivers are color-coded according to their sizes, making it effortless to find the right one for the job. This feature saves you time and frustration by eliminating the need to search through a jumble of tools. Additionally, the nut drivers have a plated finish that provides rust resistance, ensuring their durability and longevity. The Olympia Nut Driver Set is a reliable and convenient tool set that will make your projects easier and more efficient. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Toolant 21 PCs Extra Long Nut Driver Set. The Toolant Nut Driver Set offers a versatile solution for various tasks, making it ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. You'll appreciate the additional handle, which allows for precise control in tight spaces where power tools can't reach, ensuring the right tightness without overdoing it. Its robust design with enhanced wall thickness means you can rely on it for durability and longevity. The reinforced magnetic feature ensures you won't lose bolts while working, making your project smoother. Plus, the 1-year warranty provides peace of mind for any quality concerns. At number 3, we have the Klein Tools 631 Nut Driver Set. The Klein Tools 631 Nut Driver Set is an excellent choice for those who need a general-purpose selection of the most frequently used nut drivers. With full hollow shafts that facilitate work on long bolt applications, the nut driver set also features internal flanges that provide a solid and twist-resistant shaft anchor. The cushion grip handles allow for greater torque and comfort, while the tip ident quickly identifies the nut driver hex orientation and size by color coding the handle ends so you can easily engage the nut driver with the fastener. Made in the USA, this nut driver set comes with a lifetime warranty on material defects and workmanship for the normal life of the product. At number 2, we have the FTIHTRY 39 PCs Magnetic Nut Driver Set. FTIHTRY Nut Driver Set includes a wide range of magnetic nut drivers made from high-hardness chrome vanadium steel. The strong magnets securely hold drill bits, preventing dropping. The unique leaflet design head fastener ensures a firm grip on nuts, extending their lifespan. With a universal 1-to-4 hex shank, this set is versatile for various applications like electric drills, screwdrivers, and woodworking. Perfect for DIY projects and professional machinery maintenance, the FTIHTRY Nut Driver Set offers durability and convenience for all users. And finally, at number 1, we have the Klein 7-in-1 Nut Driver with magnetic driver and cushion grip handle. Make your job easier with Klein 7-in-1 Nut Driver with magnetic driver and cushion grip handle. This versatile tool allows for one-handed driving with 7 sizes in one tool. The strong, rare earth magnets securely hold nuts and bolts, while the spring coil holds them in place without magnets. The wrench assist on the handle provides added torque on tough jobs, and the color-coded bands make it easy to identify the size. With a heavy-duty handle and shaft, this nut driver exceeds the torque performance of regular nut drivers. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.